Hello YouTube, and today I'm showing you how to fit this fluoride filter by Water2. So first of all, what you want to do is open the box and you will see these add-on setup instructions, which are once again very basic and may be different to your installation. So this video should help with that. So first of all, inside the box, the nice red box, you get your Water2 Fluoride Filter, which is with the spigot on the inlet side. So just put that to one side. You also get your 1 year timer. That's all it is. It doesn't affect the performance of it. And you get a clip that will clip both the bottles together and you can stick it to the base of the unit. On this installation, we didn't use that because we found the customer would find it hard to remove when changing the filters. So that is all you need out the box. So once you're done with that, just put that to one side. You will no longer be needing anything out of the box. And moving on to fitting of this fluoride filter. So first of all, what you want to do is locate the isolator that is feeding your Water2 filter. So just here I've got a flat bladed isolation valve. You might need to turn the mains water off to the house, or if you're not competent in doing this or don't feel comfortable, then please do call your local plumber and they'll be more than happy to assist you with this. So as you can see, I'm just locating this isolator, which is tight behind here, and turning the water off to the filter itself. Just make sure you do find the right isolator and it does just feed this filter, as you may cause other problems such as dishwashers or washing machines being isolated. So with that isolated, you can then go up to your kitchen tap that is feeding and turn on the cold tap to make sure the water is off just to the cold tap. Make sure that is off, which it is. If you're still getting a bit of a drip or a bit of water, then you haven't isolated it and the isolator either isn't working or you may have the wrong isolator. So next you want to remove the outlet of your Water2 blue filter. So this is located on the collar of the filter itself. So there is an in and an out. Make sure you get the out one, and you want to push down this collar here. It says on the internet or on the website to fit it in the out and to use your fingers to remove this. I personally found this very hard to do, so I used once again a flat bladed screwdriver just to prise it round to get it off. Word of warning, you should have some towels or a little cup ready because there will be a bit of water as you're about to see, so do be ready for that. So push that in and as you can see there is a bit of water, so a bit of cloth or a little cup just to collect the water would be absolutely fine. So now grab your red filter with the spigot on and you want to line it up where you want to position it in the unit. Line it up in the hole and then you want to gently push the red one into the blue one, making sure it goes in nice and square and not at any sort of angle because this may damage the O-ring inside. So with it nice and lined up, you can then give it a firm push into the blue filter. Just checking that you've definitely got the in braided hose going into the blue filter, then into the red, because that's what it says on the website. To work, it needs to go blue to red, then out the red to the filter. It can't go red then blue. So then you can push your out into the red and sit them where you want in your base unit. Then you can grab yourself another 1 year timer and press and hold that for about 5 seconds till it flashes and beeps like so, and you can then clip that onto your braided hose. These are just timers with a 1 year countdown and then they will beep. These do not affect the performance of the filters or do anything to the water itself. I've had a few customers think that they maybe help with the filtration of the water. They don't. They are literally countdown timers. It's the same as setting a countdown timer on a clock and leaving it for 1 year. This is all they do. It's just a countdown. So with that then clipped on, you can then reinstate the water by either turning your isolation valve on or your mains water and just let them fill nice and slowly and open the cold tap and check for any leaks. If there is a leak on any of the fittings, then you maybe haven't pushed them in correctly, so maybe give them a slight push for a better seal, or start the process again, making sure everything was pushed in nice and firmly, like so. So you can now run your cold tap and run this for 3 minutes, it says on the box. I would personally run it for 5 minutes just to make sure any air bubbles or dirt or grit out of the filter is removed, and you're also checking for leaks underneath. Make sure everything is nice and dry, or if there's a bit of water on something, just give it a quick clean up that I've got to do, because a bit of water did go everywhere. So I'm just going to clean it up. So run this for 5 minutes, make sure it's nice and clear. If you're not sure, then grab a clear glass, run it into that, and then check at the bottom for any sediment or sand or black particles. But if not, then you're good to go and you can enjoy your nice fluoride filtered drinking water. I hope this video has helped. Please do like and subscribe. I hope you have a good day.